Imagine steel of highest strength and quality. Imagine it can be used in the most demanding of industrial applications. And imagine it can be used over and over again. Now, what would you like to do with it? We are Ovako. Our material is engineering steel. And we know that with the right steel, imagination is your only limit. We've been doing this since the 17th century. Our founding fathers sprung from the northern iron industry, famous for high-quality products based on the strongest of steel. The knowledge of our people has always been the core of our trusted way of producing steel. Safety is our top priority in everything we do. We are determined to reach our long-term goal of a zero-accident workplace. We are proud of our way of working with broad networks in research and development. Together with our customers, we design steel that solves their specific needs. All our steel come from scrap. We produce bar steel in all executions. We also produce tube, ring, and wire, and supply an industry-leading range of hard-chromed long products. We use a broad range of steel grades. The steel grades are grouped into our brand families to meet different customer demands. Proving again and again that imagination is your only limit. Imagine steel that meets your needs. Now, imagine it being even better.